Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my car. Now, my car currently isn't that dirty. I would say I haven't cleaned it in a couple of weeks, but I usually clean out my car like pretty often, usually when I get gas. While I'm pumping my gas, I like to just like clean out some trash. I don't like deep clean my car or anything, obviously, but I just like to get like the visible trash. So my car never tends to get like dirty anymore. Like if you guys watched like my previous clean my car videos when I had my old Lancer, that was a whole different story, and that was because that car wasn't in bad condition when I got it, but like the rugs had like stains on it and stuff, and it was just like very hard to keep it clean. And ever since I got my new car, I have been taking much better care of my car, and I just thought it would be a nice day to clean my car because it just snowed, so I was kind of like holding off on getting a car wash. So it's kind of a little bit later than I've been wanting to clean my car anyways, and it's kind of like hot outside for the middle of January, so I'm going to be cleaning my car. But first I'm going to run to the store to pick up a couple of things. I want to get new air fresheners. I want to get like this one, like I forget what it's called. It's like a mist that you put in your car and you put on the AC, and it's supposed to like circulate and like make your car smell really good. For now, let's go to the store, and then when I come back, I'm gonna get changed because I'm in a dress right now because like I mentioned, it was like nice out. So I'll change, I'll clean my car, and then at the end I'm gonna get a car wash to kind of finalize everything. Alright, so I am now back. I have all the supplies that I bought still in my car. I just came inside to change, so I'm in something a little comfier, and I know I said how it was nice out, but I'm gonna be like staying outside for a longer time, so I want to just put like more than a dress on, you know? So I'm gonna give you guys a before exterior shot of my car. I have not gotten a car wash in over a couple weeks. I don't even know the last time, to be honest. So yeah, my car is pretty dirty. Like I mentioned, it snowed, so my car cleans up really nice. So once I get a wash and everything, all this stuff will be gone. But white cars are so hard to keep clean, you guys. We got all that on the front, which is snow. From the front, my car doesn't even look that dirty, but the back really is bad. So starting inside my car, I'm gonna move the seats back. I'm gonna be wiping all this down. I'm gonna be cleaning around here, vacuuming obviously all in here under the mats. Tend to accumulate lots of dirt, trash, and yeah, also this stuff does come out that's not stained. That's just because I was just driving, my wet shoes kind of like left a mark. But so nobody really goes back here, so it's not like that dirty, but I still want to, you know, clean up while I'm at it. And then going on to the other side, I really desperately need to clean up in here because like it's so bad. This is where it tends to accumulate the most dirt. I'm not sure why. Probably because when I'm driving and I have trash, I put it on here and then it might fall, or I might just not get it, you know. So that's where this is at. These mats kind of just like pop off so I can get under them. I'm gonna be picking up all of like the stuff that I can get, and then I'll leave all the little crumbs to the vacuum later. For now, I'm gonna wipe down the insides of the glass windows with these wipes that I got from Walmart. With these glass wipes, I'm also gonna be wiping down like the chrome finishes and stuff, like the emblem on my steering wheel down here, and just like some accents around the controls. I also really need to clean like in here really badly. As you can tell, it's getting pretty disgusting. And also I want to point out, last time that I cleaned my car, I didn't really go all out like I am now. I kind of just like took out the trash and that was it. But now I'm actually wiping down the windows, so I haven't probably wiped down the windows in longer than when I just like regularly cleaned out my car. Okay, literally before, after. Okay, so there is the back right done. Here's all of the dirty glass wipes from just all 4 of the windows that I just did. I didn't even do the windshield yet. And then the bottom of like where the doors close. So I'm gonna go through these out and then do the windshield, and then I'll use the protectant wipes, not the glass cleaners, to like do the dashboard and everything. You guys literally won't even be able to see, but all of the visible marks are gone, and that's about the best I can do. It's so hard to clean my windshield, so that's why I never do it. So now I'm gonna wipe down my steering wheel and stuff using protectant wipes. This is for leather, by the way. It's supposed to like clean, shine, and protect, and it basically just prevents like UV damage from like if your car is sitting in the sun. Back behind my steering wheel, like in the gauges, never gets like too dusty, because whenever I'm driving and I notice that it's starting to get dusty, I always like wipe it off. So that's something that always bothers me. Like I always need to have that clean. Like it cannot be dusty whatsoever. I'm gonna vacuum all in there later, but that's just to like clean it out. Same goes for in here. As you can tell, I have like multiple things. I have 2 hand sanitizers, 2 mascaras. Like I really need to get one set makeup bag that has 1 product each, because there's no need to have all of this stuff. So in there is all clean, and I'm not gonna put stuff in it yet just because I want to wait to make like that makeup bag. So I'm gonna also wipe down in here, and like along here is really nasty. There's in there. I also have this chapstick that I like keeping in here because it kind of matches my interior and it's able to fit so it can close still. So here is the middle compartment done. Also, you guys, did y'all peep the little fake Louis Vuitton bear? I think this looks so cute because it like matches the cream color in here. I need to give it a name, so comment down below some cute names for this bear. Like I really need to know. So I put all the stuff that I'm going to be keeping in my car up on my dashboard, and then all the other stuff in this bag can go inside. I'm also going to pack a makeup bag while I'm inside as well. So I found this cute makeup bag, and I'm going to just pack a mascara. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. This is the Shea Butter lip balm. 1 Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. All a Dream Mist by Pink. I really love this scent, obviously, as you can tell, but since it's almost empty, it's kind of perfect to put in my car. I'm also gonna wrap around like 4 or 5 hair ties around that. I have my gum in the car, which will go in here as well. I want makeup wipes, also maybe a concealer just because. I don't really have too much in here, just like napkins. I have a charger in here, which is an extra charger. I'm gonna keep in here as simple as possible, so I just have the 2 packs of gum and the perfume, because that's like stuff that I would reach for the most. So I have that in there, and then I'm actually gonna put this bag with like the makeup and stuff back here with the manual. And I just put those pink sunglasses up here with that scent diffuser. This is the scent Champagne Toast. I'm also going to take the car vent scents and put those on now. I think I'm just going to put 1 vent scent here, and then the other over there where my old one is, which is now probably empty and doesn't even smell like anything.
Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. To To complete your purchase, please insert cash or... You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead.
I got like the gold Supreme wash. I hate being in the car wash while people are in front of me. If they stop, I can't even see nothing. And now this is an after shot. It's kind of loud because the vacuums are on. So I'm now gonna vacuum the floor mats and like around here and stuff in my car. So I need to move the seats all the way back. So I'm done vacuuming and I just finished up at the car wash. The last thing to do is when we get home, I want to set off that air freshener thing, but I have to be out of the car, so I can't do that right now. I'm now home, and for anybody wondering, I first saw this on TikTok and I wanted to try it out because everybody like said it was like the best thing ever. And it gets rid of any odor, but I just want my car to smell like fresh, so I'm not really trying to get rid of any odor, so it'll probably smell even better yet. This is the Sweet Summer Breeze scent. So basically I think you just like press this, set it like right here in the middle of your car somewhere, and then it just goes off for however long and makes your car smell really good. So I'm putting the AC on high now. Oh. Oh my god. So there it goes. I put it in the middle instead. All right, so now we go in and we oh my god, it's so strong. Oh my god. You're supposed to air out for 10 to 15 minutes before use. So we're gonna put down all the windows. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what you think the name of that cute little tan teddy bear hanging from my mirror should be. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.